Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our Lord of the Flies predictions for GCSE English 2024. Now, as many of you have requested, we have created the Lord of the Flies predictions. Now, before we get started, don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends as it helps our channel grow. Now, let's get started and have a look at what has come up in previous years. Now, what we've done here is that we have put together the previous year questions that have come up. So, for example, in 2023, we had symbols or human nature come up for Lord of the Flies. In 2022, it was either evil or it was a question on the hunters. In 2021, it was on the power, or it was on Jack and Ralph's relationship, and etc. So as you can see, if you go through the years, you can see the questions that have come up. Now, what are our predictions? Personally speaking, based on the pattern and based on what hasn't come up, these are my personal predictions, and it's important to remember and remind you all that these are predictions, so you should not solely rely on these predictions, and it's important that you revise all the key themes, all the key characters for Lord of the Flies. Now, personally, it's one of my favorite novels to study and teach. The only reason is it's definitely an interesting extract, and it's quite easy to understand compared to some of the other extracts or novels that we teach students. So generally speaking, it's something that many students do in fact enjoy. So let's have a look at our predictions for this year. So if we are looking at characters, we can have this assumption that there could be a prediction question on either Piggy or even an exam question on Simon. Now, if you go back and you have a look at it, you haven't really seen Piggy, a specific question on Piggy, or even a question on Simon come up in terms of character. So if you look at the pattern from the previous years, that's something that could potentially come up. Now, in terms of themes, victims, okay, so the theme of being victims, etc. So that same notion is something that is yet to come up, and potentially friendship and even loyalty. Okay, so these are some areas for you to revise, especially because if you go back and have a look at the previous years, it hasn't come up. So these are some areas for you to certainly revise, and who knows, there's definitely a possibility that does come up in your exams. And importantly, remember to revise the key themes, the key character analysis, and ensure that you are well prepared for your exams, and also your time management. So please make sure that you're working through past paper questions and you are working on improving your time management. Now, if you want to improve and get the highest possible grades, do consider joining our online classes where we have expert and experienced qualified teachers teaching our amazing students online. So if you would like to be a part of our classes and would like that extra support, that extra boost in preparation for your exams, do contact us via email, which is at easyeducationlondon@gmail.com, and a member of staff will be in contact with you in getting started. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms, which is at Easy Education London, where we do upload regularly valuable content in preparation for your exams. And if you have made it until the end of the video, please do leave a comment saying I've stayed until the end, and that would be highly appreciated. If there are any other videos you would like me to create, please do let me know, as there are plenty of requests, and I'm happy to try my best to create videos on those topics, etc. But in the meantime, do make sure you check out our playlist. We have literally over hundreds and hundreds of videos, and amazing videos to help you prepare for your GCSE English exams. And that takes us towards the end, and I just would like to thank you all for your continued support. It has truly been amazing, and please do recommend and share our channel, as it does help our channel grow, and hopefully we can continue to create more exciting and engaging content. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more. Thank you.